Good morning, it's Annie Mathias, and someone asked me, what is the next step? What does success look like in the next step for you? Well, for me, I've been wanting to continue on to do my ceramic art, offering all the things that I do and talking about the stories within them, but I also want to now talk about a book that I wrote 15 years ago. It's been published forever, but it's not very well known because it really needs me to come along and using videos explain it and allow the people who are learning this process to enter in step by step. It's a wonderful process. It's about learning our inner stories. What are your inner stories? Do you even know that you have inner stories? Do you even know what those would be? Well, I didn't know that until this process was given to me, and I have to say it was given. It was during a very difficult time in my life, and I really needed something to be able to help with the stress of things that were going on. And this process just came forward, and it's delightful and it's powerful. And so my next step is to teach this process of learning your inner stories. I already have the book written. The CD is available of me reading. And what I would like to do now is to take it out publicly through video. It would probably take about 3 or 4 different classes. And the classes would be fun. They would be interactive. And it would not be an expensive course because I really feel like this is an important teaching to take out into the world. The more we understand ourselves, the more we're able to love and help other people. The more we understand what's going on within us, we're able then to extend that understanding to others. I firmly believe this. And I also believe that the art that I do, I believe that inspiration of art and the creative work, it all comes from God. It's a blessing from God to teach us, to allow us to grow deeper and deeper. So that is what my next success looks like. It's the teaching of this course that I've developed. It's called Metaphorically Yours.